Hello, let's continue the tutorial further. Like it was a equal to 2 plus 3. It will not give us 5, it will give us 23, but that 23 would be a string, as we have confirmed that by printing the type, and the type is string. So if we just write a plus 5, what will it give? It will give an error. It must be string, not an int. So if we write this, then it will give 2, 3, 5. But since we are not storing this in any variable, so this value will be lost as soon as we clear this. It is stored nowhere. And now if we convert the a, that was 23. Let's check a is 2, 3 in a string. So if we want to add 5 in that number, then we will convert a int a and then add 5. Let's see what happens. So the result is 28. So the int is converted into a and then 5 is printed. 5 is added to it. So that's 28. And like we use C in and C out in C++, in scanf and printf in C language, here we are using input. So input function is just a simple thing like this, input. So then it is asking, let's enter here something here. So as we enter here 24, so it returns the output that was entered. So as the input function returns the value that is entered here, entered after the input function, so the return value should be stored somewhere. Like in this case, we just copied the same thing and added a variable and stored the output or return value from this. Like we are using a all the way from the beginning. Let's just ask a funny question. A equal to input and then some string. It is asking us to type yes or no. So like yes, enter. Now a will be containing yes. That's the first part of input, and we can also write just input and this b equal to this, and then it will work the same way, but adding some strings in that, we can guide the user to input the correct thing. Now we will proceed to loops and conditionals. If a, just like if and else, Python also have if and else, but it has elif. When else is combined to if, it gives elif. So you have to learn that. So, and in Python also there is nothing like semicolon. Like in C++ or C, we have to put a semicolon at the end of the statement, but now here we are using indentations. The white space will be used as parenthesis in the statements. Like just a small example, if a equal to yes, then a must have to die now. If else if a equal to no, then let the a live, and else input was wrong, now you have to die. So just execute this, select that and press Ctrl plus enter. So a was yes, so the first condition was true, this one was true, and then it printed a must have to die now. Okay, that's it. Thank you.